In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use threads anonymously. Let's get started. Threads does not notify users when someone visits their profile or view their public post, and it does not display profile views by default. This means you can read someone's public profile post and replies without them knowing, as long as you don't interact with their content by liking, replying, reposting, or following them. One easy way to do is through a web browser. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in threads.net/username. Replace username with the Threads username of the person you want to view. Press enter, and if their profile is public, you'll be able to browse their bio, post, and public replies without signing in or interacting with their account. Keep in mind that this only works for public profiles, and private accounts will still require approval before you can view their content. That's it. This way you can easily browse Threads anonymously. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.